Annually, the Board of Trustees recognize the exceptional contributions of Minds faculty member through the presentation of the Board of Trustees Outstanding Faculty Award. This award recognizes innovation and impact in teaching and learning both inside and outside the classroom. This year, the Board of Trustees is pleased to present the Outstanding Faculty Award to Dr. Polina Brodsky. Apparently, a few of you know her. She's well known to our mechanical engineering students and anyone engaged in Minds automotive-related clubs. She became leader of mechanical engineering's automotive track upon her arrival in Minds in 2021. In a short time, enrollment in that track has expanded to 160 students. Professor, does that make her kind of a gearhead, maybe? Are you a gearhead then, sort of? Okay, you're a gearhead. That's okay. Professor Brodsky teaches project-based courses in automotive design and electric vehicle powertrain systems and advises numerous senior design teams, our SAE Formula One car team, and the battery workforce competition team. The latter is a 3-year national competition sponsored by Stellantis, and at the end of the first year, the Minds team was chosen as the top team in the country. Professor Brodsky's senior design teams frequently win awards, including one that formed a startup company, Orbital Mining Corporation, that went on to win a $500,000 award from NASA. That's pretty impressive. In her 3 full years as faculty member, graduating seniors have twice voted Polina for Mechanical Engineering's Outstanding Faculty Award. Dr. Brodsky clearly embodies the unique characteristics we look for in Minds faculty members. Her outstanding efforts in the classroom are complemented by her efforts outside the classroom. But she engages students, she works to build a stronger Minds community and grow Minds' reputation. So President Johnson, do we have an award of some sort?
I don't know, I thought you had it. No.
I'm just doing what I'm told.
Actually, we're having special delivery that Polina and mechanical engineering students would fully appreciate. All right, that was fun. And Polina, thank you. I've had the chance to see you working with students, and you are amazing and very deserving of this award. How about another round of applause for you?